What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's the day we're gonna be dropping off the C6 Corvette to get long tube headers installed and a tune done. I'm gonna give you guys one last cold start of the C6 Corvette before I get that install done, so you guys can see what it sounds like stock.
12 seconds later.
But before we do that, I gotta change the oil on this thing and get some other stuff done before I take it there.
20 minutes later.
All right, so now we're about to go get this oil real quick. Damn, what happened there? Need that 5W30. Boom. Might as well just get another one. 60 bucks, just like that. Now we gotta get an oil filter. Oil filter. I'm head out. Alright guys, we're back. We're in the garage. As you guys can see, we got the C6 behind us. I'm just changing the oil because, like I said, they're changing the plug. So the car's basically gonna have like a full tune up, you know, after the tune and all that. So it should be, you know, running good. I'll do like a little quick sped up video of me fucking changing the oil. You guys already know how to do it. Show you guys how cool I am. No fun.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so this is the last cold start of my C6 Corvette being stock. I can't wait to see what it sounds like after long tube headers install. So as you guys can see, the car is really quiet, but it has NPP mufflers, which was a dealer option from Chevy when getting the C6 Corvettes. So it sounds a little bit louder than what a regular all-stock C6 exhaust system would sound like. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple reps so you guys get a better idea of what it sounds like right now as well. So there you guys go, a couple revs. Like I said, it's pretty quiet. So now enough talking, I gotta hit the road and I gotta go drop this car off.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so now we're on the road to go drop the C6 off. I'm excited, I'm nervous. We got about 40 minutes till we get there, so not a bad drive. I'm excited to see what the car sounds like. I should get a decent power gain from the car. I'm a little nervous, you know, dropping my car off, but it seems like a pretty good shop. You know, I looked at the reviews. All they do is work on GM performance cars, you know, Corvettes, Camaros, Chevy SS's, shit like that, you know, so I trust them. They should be fine, you know. Like I said, my car has zero problems, and I just wanted to come back that way, but it's just an exhaust and tune, so I should be fine. Just being a little paranoid. But just in case you guys are new to the channel, if you guys haven't seen in a previous video, I just want to talk about the headers that I'm getting installed on the car. So I'm getting 2-inch parameter speed engineering headers. For those that are wondering why I went with speed engineering headers, so when it comes to aftermarket support or modifications for the C6 Corvette, a lot of the stuff is expensive. You know, for a set of headers and X-pipe, depending on what brand you get, you could be spending like around how I spent, under $1,000 to damn near $3,000 for a header and X-pipe package, just depending on what brand you get. Me personally, I'm not that big into like, oh, I got this brand exhaust or blah blah blah. It's just a fucking exhaust, to be honest. As long as the fitment is right and the stuff works, you know what I mean, I don't think we should have a problem. And I think it's just the best bang for your buck exhaust for the Corvette. It's not so expensive, it's not overly priced. I just didn't feel like dropping $3,000 on an exhaust. I'd rather just buy a freaking sub $900, $1,000 exhaust system and then use the rest of my money to maybe, you know, get a supercharger kit or pro charger kit or whatever, you know what I mean? I don't feel like spending $3,000 on an exhaust, or just do a cam, you know, at that point. You know, I don't feel like spending that much money on that, me personally. That's just my personal opinion. You know, you guys can do whatever you guys want to do. It's your guys' car, but I just wasn't gonna pay all that money for fucking headers and X-pipe. So that's why I went with Spin Engineering. I'll put the link down below, so just in case if you guys have a Corvette and you guys are looking for the headers that I'm getting, I'll put the link down below.
1 hour later.
All right, so we're pulling up right now. Oh shit, I almost passed it up. All right, I'd be sketched out by lowering my car. This is a fucked up hill. Then we got a Camaro SS right there. It says I'm here. We got a Corvette right there, a Mustang, another Camaro. We got a Firebird. We got a Corvette right there, a C7. We got a Firebird, another Corvette, another Corvette. Looks like I'm in the right place. Sheesh. Got a couple cool cars over here. Damn. Alright guys, we're back home now. As you can see, we're back in the garage. I got an empty space right here where my C6 is usually sitting, but it's at the shop right now, getting long tube headers installed and tuned. I cut the camera off because I wanted to go talk to the guys at the shop, and I forgot to record the rest of it because you know, I just wanted to get to know the guys at the shop and stuff like that, and they're all pretty cool, and I got carried away and we're having like a long conversation about, you know, just stuff. So it was cool getting to know those guys, and yeah, I dropped the car off, and you know, I'm excited. I'm gonna go head to the gym. I gotta hit some arms, and I'll take you guys with me, I guess, to the gym. I'm gonna be taking the Toyota Tundra to the gym because I gotta put gas in it. I never really showed this truck in the videos, but I'll give you guys an in-depth video in a later video of the Toyota Tundra, but we're gonna be taking this thing to the gym. Oh my god, dude. Come on, bro. Finally. Jeez, dude. They got me, guys. Might as well just put the whole 27 gallons in there. That was basically empty. 27 gallons, 102 bucks. Usually to fill up the tank, I think it's like 75 bucks, 75, 80 bucks. It's very rare. It takes $102 to fill up the tank, so they got me. They got me. It's all good though. Time to head to the gym and fucking hit arms, I guess.
One debt to society later.
Dark as fuck out here. Ain't got no lighting. Alright guys, there you guys have it. That's gonna be it for this video. You guys see me get a quick workout in. You guys see me drop off the C6 Corvette. I just want to bring you guys along with me to drop off the Corvette, so you guys can just be with me and see the Corvette, you know, get its first mods done. I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm excited to hear what the car sounds like. I'm excited to see how the car drives. I'm gonna have the camera on and I'm gonna record all that with me picking up the car, so I'm very, very excited for that. I just wanted to give you guys a little before and after video, and obviously the after video is gonna be tomorrow, so I'm very, very excited to see how the Corvette is. And that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and I don't know, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. You guys are gonna do what you're gonna do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.